With Perimeter Guard, Alarm.com cameras use video analytics to stop intruders in their tracks, scaring off trespassers with loud whistles and beeps and flashing LED. To enable Perimeter Guard, you must have a video analytics person detection rule. Check out the Smart Tip Video Analytics playlist for help with creating a person detection rule. To begin, log into the app. Tap Menu followed by Video. Tap the gear icon, followed by Recording Rules. Locate your desired video analytics rule and tap the pencil to edit. Tap Next. Scroll to activate Perimeter Guard. Toggle on Camera Status LED. Select the duration. Next, toggle on Camera Audio Alert. Select the audio, sound, and volume. If desired, set a minimum delay between alerts. Tap Save. Now you can enjoy peace of mind knowing Perimeter Guard is always on duty.